for our new exploration number 2, we're going to be changing the mass. So initially we're going to start with the mass at 20 grams. We're going to keep the heat source at 100 joules per second. So we'll do the same thing. First we're going to say ice before it starts is 0 degrees and at negative 100 degrees Celsius. Sorry, 0 time negative 100 degrees Celsius. So we'll go ahead and hit go, and we want to see when it starts to melt. All right, so 2 minutes, 4 seconds at 0 degrees, the ice begins to melt. All right, at 3 minutes and 4 seconds, it is now fully a liquid. That's at 0 to 2 degrees Celsius. All right, now the ice is starting to boil, the little particles, at 5 minutes and 2 seconds, where liquid begins to boil. All right, now all of our liquid is gone, and the liquid has gone to gas, liquid to gas. That is 11 minutes and 18 seconds. All right, gas being gone, 12 minutes and 39 seconds. And that is at 108 right now. So it's for table 4. Table 5, we're going to go ahead and change the mass now. We're going to hit restart, select water, put our heat source over to 100 joules per second. So it's the same as the first one. And maybe put our mass to 25. So again, 0 and negative 100 degrees Celsius. All right, so at 2 minutes and 47 seconds and 0 degrees, the ice begins to melt. Ice begins to melt. All right, the ice goes to liquid, ice to liquid. 4 minutes and 4 seconds. It stopped a little slow there. 8 degrees Celsius now. All right, liquid begins to boil at 6 minutes and 29 seconds and 100 degrees Celsius when the liquid begins to boil. All right, now all the liquid is gone at 14 minutes and 51 seconds, and the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius when the liquid fully turned to gas. Let's see when the gas ends. All right, so the gas has ended 16 minutes and 15 seconds, 115 degrees Celsius when the gas ends. We're going to do this one last time for exploration 2 and changing the mass of water. So we keep our heat source at 100 joules per second. We did 20, we did 25. Let's do 35. So it'll be a little bit different. At 35 grams, let's see what happens. So temperature again starts at negative 100 at 0 minutes. All right, 3 minutes and 28 seconds. The ice begins to melt. It's still at 0 degrees. The ice cube is now fully gone. 5 minutes and 7 seconds, still 0 degrees. From ice to liquid. All right, now we have the liquid begins to boil at 6 minutes and 49 seconds, and that is at 100 degrees Celsius. All right, liquid to gas here. Took 18 minutes and 11 seconds, and it's still at 100 degrees Celsius. Let's see how long it takes for the gas to be gone. All right, at 20 minutes and 14 seconds, the gas is gone, and it is 106 degrees Celsius. So this is a look at what happens if you change the mass. We looked at 20, 25, and 35.